My people, welcome to another episode of Pidgin Vibes Yarnings. Today, based on how the matter take dey play, my yarnings carry me go PDP Secretariat for FCT Abuja. And e come happen say some of the PDP governors wey be say dey led by Seyi Makinde enter the secretariat. They no come let our FCT minister enter the secretariat. But one thing wey me wan really ask na say, wetin be Wike problem? Wetin really be the man issue? Wetin you dey fight for? Because me no wan understand. Fine, the party no give you ticket make you take run for presidency for last general election. But that no come mean say you don do everything possible to bring the party to the ground, to bring the party to their knees. As e be now, PDP don dey their knees. But still yet, you no wan leave the party. You dey openly dey romance with the opposition. You be serving minister under opposition party. Still yet, it took time for your party to expel you. They don expel you now. So wetin be that thing wey you dey find? Because me never really understand. The matter wey play today, e dey make me dey laugh. Like, e dey make me dey laugh. Na today I really take know why most times Nigerians no dey respect, they no dey regard our police officers. Because wetin I see video police officer una dey fight una sef because of politicians. Because me no wan understand, e get the country wey that kind thing for dey happen. Una dey throway tear gas. Because I no know wetin dey play. Wetin una go raise body for? Wetin una bokkos go raise for? E no go raise for am. Na wetin no reach anything. Una dey throway tear gas, una dey even dey fight una sef. Because I no understand. Okay, now, as e be now, wetin Wike wan use that party take still do? Because me never understand wetin you wan do. Wetin be that thing wey dey special na wey you wan use the party take do? Because as the party be, you don kukuma gwogwo the party. Go no come, go no go, come no come when it comes to People's Democratic Party, PDP. Nothing dey happen for there. So I don't know wetin you dey wan you see dey fight for. But one thing wey vex me pass for the video wey vex me pass for today, nothing really vex me pass aside the nonsense wey all those politicians dey do. I don't know say na politicians na their way tomorrow don still settle. Na say our police come dey fight themselves because of politician. I dey watch the video make una watch this video, shame dey catch me. Like, wetin be this one? Na this one we come reduce our uniform mate oh. My people, I wan leave una with this question. Make una find answer for me for the comment section. Wetin really be Wike problem? That one na one. Two, how we go take really reform this our police system for this country? My people, una do.